Okay, now we're going to get into the smoothing of the edge. It's rather sharp, you know, it's not comfy to the tongue. And at the bottom, if you try and use a slider in this condition, it'll click. Here, where when it's smoothed, it doesn't. So you have to get in and auger those holes and also auger both ends. And that's done with a Dremel tool with a proper attachment, which is a conical stone. And so we come here, go like this. Dremels are one of the most really just super useful tools. I can do a lot with a Dremel. I don't really need more sophisticated stuff. I do have more sophisticated stuff. I just said I didn't need more sophisticated stuff. Okay. That goes like that. This goes like this. This goes like this. This one goes back in like this. So what am I going to do? I'm going to take this. I'm going to gently go around and smooth that. Smooth on the underside. Come over here, and that will do it. I got my glasses on. I got my light on. And here we go. And you might ask, how are you going to test whether it's comfy to the mouth? Put it on and see. That's how, because I'm going to sterilize it anyway. That's how I know if it's right or not. Now, underside. Dead quiet. Comfortable in the mouth. Okay. All right. Now, clean up. I'm going to leave this on because, you know, I don't really have to have it empty. But I am going to take this. Here's that new slider. Like here. Now, other thoughts on the slider. The material started off as a block of acrylic that was rather large, and now there's not a lot of it left, and so that means it's still changing shape, and it will for another 5 or 10 days. So it has to age and just kind of relax into its final shape. Then I can go ahead and do the final sand on the bottom to make sure that it is, you know, absolutely perfect. And but now we have a wonderful slider. We have the hole smooth at the bottom. We have the hole smooth at the top. We have the hole smooth on the lines where it glides. Now it just has to rest, and then it will get its final sand, and that completes the process of making a Kettlewell frictionless mouthpiece slider